Hi viewers, in the present video I am going to discuss content words and structure words. So these are two very important one for everyone, especially this part is prescribed for Shatavana University. All the degree first year students, it carries 5 marks. For this I want to show you uh, what is the difference between structural words and content words, and which are called content words, which are called structural words. I want to show you like that. First let us discuss structural words. Structural words are words that serve to express grammatical relationships with other words within sentence. They have little lexical meaning or an ambiguous meaning in a sentence into which the nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs fit. Function words are closed class words. They are lexically unproductive. New words cannot be added and are generally invariable in form. Structure words are generally unstressed or sometimes pronounced in a reduced form or with a short sound. The shorter sound. See, the function words are also known as structure words, grammatical words, grammatical functions, grammatical morphemes, function morphemes, form words, empty words, empty verbs. According to James Penbaker, function words account for less than 1/10 of 1% of our vocabulary, but make up almost 60% of the words we use. Structures words include determiners, pronouns, conjunctions, prepositions, be forms like be, is, am, or, have, has, do, does, did, get, got, was, were. Modals also may, might, can, could, will, would, shall, should. Qualifiers very, really, quite, somewhat, rather, too, pretty. Question words how, where, what, when, why, who. Particles no, not, nor, as. Determiners. Let us discuss these things one by one. Determiners are words such as articles, possessive pronouns, quantifiers, demonstratives, and numbers. They function as adjectives to modify nouns in front of noun to show the reader whether the noun is specific or general. Articles a and the. Demonstratives that, this, those, these. Possessive pronouns my, your, their, our, ours, whose, his, hers, its, which. Quantifiers some, both, most, many, a few, a lot of. Identifies some, any, no, every, other, another, many, more, most, enough, few, less, much, either, neither, several, all, both, each. Cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Ordinal numbers first, second, third, last. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that can function as a noun, phrase used by itself, and that refers to either to the participants in the discourses or to someone or something mentioned elsewhere in the discourses. Like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, her, him, it, them, myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Conjunctions connect two words, two phrases, two clauses, or two sentences. And, but, for, yet, neither, or, so, when, although, however, as, because, before, like. Prepositions. Prepositions. A preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, etc., etc. In, of, between, on, with, by, at, without, through, over, across, around, into, within. Be forms. Be, is, am, are, have, has, do, does, did, was, were. Modals. May, might, can, could, will, would, shall, should, must, ought. Qualifiers. Very, really, quite, somewhat, rather, to, like this. And question words. How, where, what, when, why, who, like particles. No, not, nor, as. So here we have identify the structure words from the paragraph 1 of unit 1. So this paragraph is taken from A Snake in the Grass of degree first year students. See this one. On a sunny afternoon, when the inmates of the bungalow were at the siesta, a cyclist rang his bell at the gate frantically and announced, "A big cobra has got into your compound. It crossed my wheel." He pointed to its track under the gate and resumed his journey. So here, this passage is taken from the first lesson, first unit, A Snake in the Grass. So here you have to find out the structural words from the underlined words. Underlined words. See that? The underlined words in the above paragraph are structured words on, preposition, be, article, the, article, where, be form, of, preposition, at preposition, their determiner, his determiner, and conjunction has auxiliary into preposition. Like this, you have to find out in the examination so that you will get marks by doing this one. Let's go to uh, content words. That's the one. Content words. Content words. Content words are words that have meaning. In linguistics, content words are words that possess semantic or meaningful content and contribute to the meaning of the sentence in which they occur. In a traditional approach, nouns were said to name objects and other entitles, verbs to indicate actions, adjectives to refer to attributes of entities, and adverbs to attributes of actions. Content words are usually open class words, meaning new ones are easily added to the language in relation to English phonology. English phonology. So there is an important difference in pronunciation between content and grammatical words. Content words tend to be stressed and structured words are not. Okay, content words tend to be stressed and structured words are not stressed. So that's you have to keep in your mind. Like these are all content words, nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs. Once again, what are the content words? Nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs. Also adverbs. See the nouns. Maybe noun is the name of anything actually. Maybe the place, person, thing, objects, animals, ideas. See. See the nouns. Person example, teacher, police, Sardar Patel, Sardar Patel. Place, house, Hyderabad, college, Kerala, etc., etc. Things or objects, table, mobile, bottle, umbrella, like that. And animals, tiger, peacock, tiger, peacock, man, elephant, lion, leopard, like this. And ideas, confusion, happiness, faith, etc., etc. Adjectives, intelligent, new, deep, orange. Verbs, climb, finish, prepare, speak, go, come, work, eat, dance, practice, develop, speak, write, finish, ask, help. These are all verbs like. Then adverbs: really, completely, very, fast. Generally, adverbs are formed by adding ly to its base form. Ly to its base form. And here we have identify the content words from the paragraph 1 of units 1. On a sunny afternoon, when the inmates of the bungalow were at their siesta, a cyclist rang his bell at the gate and announced, a big cobra has got into your compound. It crossed my wheel. He pointed to its track under the gate and resumed his journey. See that you have to find out these underlined words, what are called content words like. Sunny, big, adjective. Afternoon, practically, adverbs. Intimates, bungalow, siesta, cyclist, gate, bell, cobra, compound, wheel, journey, track. All these words are nouns. All these words are nouns. Rang, announced, got, crossed, pointed, resumed. These are all verbs. These are all verbs. So like that we have one more paragraph. See that. A young liftman in a city office who threw a passenger out of his lift on the other morning and was fined for the offense was undoubtedly in the wrong. It was the question of please. The complaints entering the lift said top. The liftman demanded top please, and this concession being refused, he not only declined to comply with the instructions but hurled the passenger out of the lift. This paragraph is from Unit 2 on saying please. On saying please. So that in examinations like this, the underlined parts you have to find out whether it is content word or structured words. You have to mention to the words like young, adjective, liftman, office, passenger, lift, morning, offense, question, complaint, top, man, concession, instructions. All these words are called nouns because noun is the name of anything. Noun is the name of anything. So these are called nouns. City, office, actually noun, but here it's a adjective. It is considered as adjectives. Adjectives. It's considered as adjectives. Threw, find, said, demanded, refused, declined, comply, hurled. These are all verbs because it tells something about action. It tells something about action. So that it is called verbs like out, undoubtedly, please, not only. These are all adverbs. These are all adverbs. And other is also adjective. Other is also adjective file. so that we have more examples like. Then you have to practice at home by observing whether these are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So, before going to find out these content words or structural words, you should know more about the parts of speech. The parts of speech. If you know these parts of speech and if you know the meaning of these eight parts, then you are able to answer whether this is a content word or structure word in the examination point of view. So that you better watch this video very carefully unless you get the command over it, command over content words and structure words. Repeat the video watching again and again. So definitely you are going to get good marks in the examination. So this is all about content words and structures words video. So we shall meet with a new topic in the next video. Meanwhile, you watch this video again and again until you get thorough it. So thank you for watching this video, and you like it, subscribe it. I have my own channel, that is English Raj. You will have many more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.